Do you ever have trouble choosing a movie to watch?
Today, let's listen to a simple and natural English conversation about choosing a movie.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thanks for joining us today.
Let's practice easy English together with a fun conversation about choosing a movie. What do you want to do tonight?
How about watching a movie?
Sounds good. What kind of movie do you want to watch?
Maybe a comedy.
A comedy. Why?
I want to relax and laugh.
That's a good reason.
What kind of movie do you want to watch?
Maybe an action movie.
An action movie? Really?
Yes, I like exciting movies.
I'm not really in the mood for an action movie.
Okay, how about a romantic movie?
That sounds nice.
Let's check what's available.
Okay, what's this movie?
It's a romantic comedy.
What's it about?
It's about two people who meet by chance and become friends.
That sounds interesting.
It also has a lot of funny scenes.
Great. How long is it?
About 2 hours.
That's not too long.
Do you want to watch it?
Yes, I think so.
Wait, there's another movie here.
What kind?
It's a mystery movie.
Oh, I like mystery movies.
Really?
Yes, I enjoy trying to guess what happens next.
Me too.
What's the movie about?
A detective is trying to solve a difficult case.
That sounds exciting.
Which one should we choose?
That's difficult.
We can watch the romantic comedy tonight and the mystery movie another day.
That's a great idea.
Perfect. Romantic comedy it is.
Should we make some snacks?
Definitely.
How about popcorn?
Yes, we can't watch a movie without popcorn.
I agree.
Do you want anything to drink?
I'll have some orange juice.
I'll get some water.
Great. I'll make the popcorn.
Perfect. Let's get ready for the movie.
I'm ready.
Me too. I hope it's a good movie.
I'm sure it will be.
Thanks for listening to today's English conversation.
We hope you learned some useful English for talking about movies.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.